वृंदावन को जानने के दौरान हमारी मुलाकात यहाँ पर आए भगवान कृष्ण के एक श्रद्धालु से हुई, जिन्होंने हमें काफ़ी अच्छी जानकारी दी और हमने सोचा हमें ये जानकारी आपके साथ साझी करनी चाहिए।
हेलो, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल एंड यू आर वाचिंग होलिस्टिक इंडिया। तो आपने मेरे बैकग्राउंड को देख के थोड़ा बहुत जज तो कर ही लिया होगा कि हम इस वक्त कहाँ पर हैं। जिन व्यूवर्स को अभी तक नहीं पता चला तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ये जगह है वो जगह जहाँ पर लॉर्ड कृष्णा अपना बचपन गुजारे हैं और आज भी यहाँ पर लोगों की मान्यता है कि वो यहाँ पर स्थापित हैं। तो ये जगह है वृंदावन। तो यहाँ पर वृंदावन हम सुबह से काफ़ी एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं। तो एक्सप्लोर करते करते ऐसे ही हमें लॉर्ड कृष्णा जी के एक डिवोटी से मिलने का मौका मिला और काफ़ी नॉलेज है हमको। तो आइए उनकी नॉलेज आपसे भी साझा करते हैं। हेलो, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल एंड प्लीज़ टेल योर नेम एंड योर इंट्रोडक्शन।
Yeah, I'm Ranshore Krishnadas. So I'm basically following Srila Prabhupada teachings. That is how I'm in touch with Krishna. So I'm practicing this Krishna consciousness quite like almost like 5 to 6 years. So even I'm new to this place. So from few days, even I'm exploring, but few things I know. So whatever I know, I'll try to explain. अब मेरे को क्या क्या पता है आपको
तो
एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं।
इनके अकॉर्डिंग ये भी तो नहीं है इस प्लेस पे, लेकिन बोल रहे हैं कि 2-4 दिन से काफ़ी एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं और काफ़ी बुक्स इन्होंने स्टडी की है इस प्लेस के बारे में और हिंदुज़म के बारे में। तो आइए इनसे हम एक क्विक इंट्रो लेते हैं इस जगह के बारे में, इस जगह का थोड़ा सा इतिहास क्या है और इसकी क्या खासियत है। तो कैन यू प्लीज़ टेल मी अबाउट हिस्ट्री ऑफ दिस प्लेस?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Before that, just small prayer. I'll just do it.
Of course.
Yeah. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharne Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschata Deshatarane Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gauravakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So this Vrindavan is a place where everyone knows that this is a place where Krishna spent his pastimes. So when he was born in Mathura, he was shifted to Gokul and Gokul to Nandgaon to Vrindavan, and so he was spent all his childhood pastimes here with his friends, so playing. So and also a lot of pastimes are there here. So when it comes to Vrindavan, so this is the Parikrama area where we are sitting right now. So all throughout the Parikrama, if you walk, so each and every place, हर जगह में एक पास्टम है। इधर तो कृष्ण बलराम खेल किया, इधर तो कृष्ण को ऐसे किया। There's one more place here, Madan Ter. That is a place where Cupid, right? Madan.
Yes.
So the Madan saw the beauty of Krishna and he fainted. So Madan is expert in shooting arrows so that men will get attracted to female and female to men. So but when he came to shoot the arrows to Krishna, by seeing the beauty of Krishna, he fainted down. That is the place Madan Ter. Varaha is there where Varaha Avataram happened. So in this, as we have very short time, right? So so I'll try to explain some important temples in Vrindavan. So which we generally, when we come, we have short time. Whenever we come to Vrindavan, so we just try to finish these temples. That's what I do and many of the devotees do. So I'll try to explain that. So there are actually 7 temples here, and one more is Banke Bihari temple. So 8 temples I can say. So most of the devotees visit Banke Bihari temple. So one is Radha Madan Mohan temple, which is today morning which we visited there.
Yes.
So that is established by Srila Sanatana Goswami. So Radha Madan Mohan temple, the Madan Mohan ji, which was the deity, was personally carved by grandson of Krishna,
Okay.
Vajranabh.
Okay.
Yeah. So this Madan Mohan ji, Madan Mohan ji and Gopinath ji and Govind Dev ji, these are the 3 deities which were carved by Vajranabh. And during this Aurangzeb, Mughal period, when they were trying to destruct, so these Goswamis, they want to preserve these deities very carefully. So they shifted to Radhakund,
Okay.
from Radhakund to Kamyavan, and from Kamyavan to Jaipur. So after going to Jaipur, so this particular Madan Mohan ji, what happened in Jaipur, the princess was very much she has very good what do you say, intimate bhakti, devotion to Madan Mohan ji deity. Yeah, Madan Mohan ji deity. So when she got married to the prince of Karoli in Rajasthan, so she was not able to bear the separation. So she took Madan Mohan ji to Karoli.
Okay.
So the real deities right now they are present in Karoli, Rajasthan. So this is Madan Mohan ji, and there's one more temple is Radha Damodar. So in this parikrama you can go through, you will find all these temples. Radha Damodar was established by Srila Jiva Goswami. So there in Radha Damodar temple, there you can see one stone will be there, Shila. So yeah, the Sanatana Goswami was a very old person, so he was doing parikrama around the Govardhan hill. So he was very much tired, old person, so he was very devoted. So Krishna himself felt like, oh please stop, why you want to do in this old age? So then Sanatana Goswami said, no, I can't, I want to do more and more like this. So then Krishna himself, so he just he manifested one Shila, where on the Shila there are, it's a footprint of Krishna, calf and flute of the Krishna is present. So that he can just do parikrama around that, then it is like you are
like,
done like
parikrama
parikrama
of Govardhan.
Govardhan. So that is that Shila. And then is there is Radha Damodar temple. If you go there, you can see there. And Srila Prabhupada says, founder Acharya of ISKCON is Srila Prabhupada. So he said that Radha Damodar temple is the center of the whole spiritual world.
Okay.
Because all Goswamis are the very intimate disciples of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So all these Goswamis, they meet there, conduct meetings, how to spread this Krishna consciousness to the whole world, how to spread this bhakti. So that is the reason this Damodar temple is called the center of the spiritual world. And Srila Prabhupada stayed there. If you go there, you can see the place where Prabhupada stayed, his room, kitchen, everything you can see. Next temple, you can see Radha Gokulanand temple. That was established by Loknath Goswami. And next is Radha Gopinath Ji temple. Radha Gopinath Ji was established by Madhu Pandit Goswami. Okay, next is Radha Shyam Sundar temple. It was established by Shyamananda Pandit Goswami. So Shyamananda Prabhu, there's one more very nice pastime. I'll try to explain it in a quick way. Shyamananda Pandit Goswami, he was sweeping the Seva Kunj. You might have heard Nidhivan and Seva Kunj. Yeah, he was sweeping. He found an ankle bell. So so he just keeps in his pocket. So he was walking by and one lady passes through him, and so that lady will ask like, did you find any ankle bell? Then Shyamananda Pandit will show, is this? Yes, it is. And then she will tell, okay, just give it to me, I'll hand over to my sister. So but he says like he'll refuse it and he will say that no, I want to give it myself. So then she will ask Shyamananda Prabhu to take a dip into the Yamuna river. So he will take the dip, and as soon as he comes out, he will change his form into a female form.
Okay.
Yeah. So both of them, they will walk into the grooves kind of a forest. She will head over him. As soon as both of them enter, they will notice Radharani is sitting there.
Okay.
So Radharani, she will take the ankle bell, and Radharani from her heart, she will manifest Krishna deity and hand over as a gift to Shyamananda Prabhu.
Okay.
So that deity is called Lala Lali right now in Radha Shyam Sundar, you can see. Next is Radha Damodar temple. Radha Damodar I finished. Radha Shyam Sundar, Radha Gopinath Ji. Next is Radha Govind Dev Ji. Radha Govind Dev Ji was established by Srila Rupa Goswami. Okay, so I think I pretty covered almost all the deities. Radha Govind Dev Ji also was shifted now to the Jaipur.
Okay.
So
Radha
yeah.
Goswami Ji, his deity is presently in Jaipur.
In Jaipur.
Okay.
So most of the deities are replicas here. And next is Radha Raman temple. Radha Raman temple was established by Gopala Bhatta Goswami. So this is also very nice pastime is there. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami has a few number of Shaligrama Shila. So in the night, all these Shaligrama. So he has a desire that he wants to serve Krishna in a like in a roop. You know, he wants to dress him like that. That desire was there. So one day, what happens in the night? That the next day was Narsimha Chaturdashi. So one day, all this in the night, all the Shaligrama will combine together and form a nice Trivanga pose of Krishna.
Okay.
It will be 10 inch. So that is Radharaman temple, you can see there.
Okay.
So these are the important temples. So Radha Madan Mohan temple, Radha Damodar, Radha Sham Sundar, Radha Gokulanand temple. Next is Radharaman temple, Radha Gopinath ji and Radha Govind Dev ji. And is Banke Bihari ji. Banke Bihari ji was by the Haridas ji.
Okay, Haridas.
Yeah, Haridas ji was a very nice singer, great devotee. He's a master of Tansen. So he was singing songs, kirtans in Nidhivan, and Krishna used to come and hear.
Okay.
So that is Banke Bihari ji. So these are the important places. Many places are there, but still I can say these are the most important places.
So Ranchod ji, as I can see here, where we turn our body, there is a history, there is
Yes,
a place
exactly.
to see, and everything here is
Yes, exactly.
history in its own. It's
Lot of pastimes are
unique.
there. Lot of in the Madan Mohan temple we have been there, right? So that is called Dwadashada Tila. So when Krishna killed Keshi demon near Keshi Ghat, if you go here, that is Keshi Ghat. After killing, so he was sitting there on the Dwadasha Tila just to take the sunlight like that.
Okay.
So like this, every place there is a pastime, every place. So many pastimes are there, and his disciples' pastimes are there, his devotees' pastimes like that. So many are there.
उन्होंने हमें यहाँ पर स्थित मुख्य 8 मंदिरों के बारे में बताया, जो कभी अगर आप वृंदावन जाएं तो वहाँ पर ज़रूर अपना दर्शन करके आएँ। तो आपको मैं लाइन वाइज इनके नाम बताता हूँ। पहला मंदिर है मदन मोहन मंदिर, और दूसरा मंदिर है राधा दामोदर मंदिर, तीसरा राधा श्याम सुंदर मंदिर, चौथा राधा गोकुलानंद मंदिर, पांचवा राधा रमन मंदिर, छठवां राधा गोपीनाथ मंदिर प्रतिभु, सातवां राधा गोविंद देव जी, आठवां और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बांके बिहारी मंदिर। ये वृंदावन के मुख्य 8 मंदिर हैं। अगर आप वृंदावन कभी भी जाएं दर्शन करने तो आप यहाँ पर जरूर माथा टेक के आएँ और ठाकुर जी के दर्शन करें। धन्यवाद। इसके साथ हमारी आज की वीडियो समाप्त होती है। फिर मिलेंगे किसी अगली इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ, और तब तक के लिए हमें दीजिए इजाज़त, और सब बोलो प्रेम से राधे राधे।